Step into the good life at Sun River 55 Plus neighborhood. This home welcomes you with a bright, updated kitchen, modern appliances, with ample counter space for friends and family. Enjoy a serene master bedroom with walk-in closet and upgraded bath, plus a guest bedroom for visitors. The open floor plan opens to the living area, ideal for entertaining or relaxing. Then, step out to a private, tranquil backyard where you can sit quietly and listen to the birds as they provide background music for peace of mind, while shaded with mature trees and beautiful landscaping. This two-bedroom, two-bath, 1,005 square foot home is the perfect size for easy maintenance. Don't miss this incredible value. Schedule your tour today.